Okay guys, so for today we will be unboxing another new product, another new blessing for our home studio kind of like ginagawa natin behind the scenes. So thank you Lord for the blessing and syempre um, we hope that this will continually improve what we do both sa church and what we do and syempre in our own little endeavors like covers and such. So yan, we will be unboxing a new equipment. So pakita ko lang sa inyo guys. Yan, kita niyo ba? O, di ba? So, ano kaya to? Unbox natin. So, gupitin natin yung napaka-solid ng packaging. So, actually, ito galing ulit to sa JVS Audio System. Yung in-order, same lang in-order natin for PGA 48. So, thank you JVS Audio System. Solid kayo kausap pagdating sa orders online. So, yun, let's unbox this now. So packaging wise, makapal naman siya. I feel na it's actually safe kapag tinravel. So thank you JVS for ensuring na safe yung gamit.
2,000 years later.
So ang ating in-order ay isang bagong mixer. So bumili tayo ng Soundcraft Notepad 8FX. Wait, kupitin lang natin. May nakadikit na tape. So this is the Soundcraft Notepad 8FX. So this is an 8-channel compact mixer and 2-channel USB audio interface with Lexicon effects. So out of all the options online, I chose Soundcraft kasi Soundcraft is known for having great preamps for their mixers. So and highly suggested yung brand na Soundcraft. Pero syempre careful lang kayo kasi maraming mga JPEGs na Soundcraft or OEMs online. So, dapat reliable yung store na bibilan nyo if you want to purchase original Soundcraft items. So, based naman sa packaging and sa presentation, meron pang codes dito to ensure na legitimate na Soundcraft product siya. And I know naman JVS is a legitimate store as well. And umorder din ako ng isang klase ng cable dito for PL to 3.5mm for playback and for pag kailangan nyo kumonect sa computer or sa phone. Alisin muna natin to. Okay? Yan. So, ito yung likod niya. Ayan. Thank you, JVS. Ilabas natin siya sa box. Okay. Okay pa kayo, guys. So, sabi nga ng isang vlogger na napapanood ko lagi, pag bibili ka lang din naman ng gamit, doon ka na sa sure. Doon ka na sa reliable. Kaya, ito yung binili natin. So, una sa box niya is ito. So, this is the power cable nung mixer. So, at least hindi siya dependent sa USB for its power. Really helpful kapag naka-condenser mic ka. And shoutout sa cameraman natin behind the scenes. Hi kay Kuya Clark. Panoorin niyo yung covers niya. We're preparing new covers in the future. So, panoorin niyo lang. Panoorin niyo yun. So, mag-subscribe na kayo, guys. And the mixer itself. May manual din. So, here's the manual. Yun. So, balot na balot talaga, guys. So, talagang sure kayo na good yung quality, safe yung quality niya. Thank you, JVS. Yan. So, alisin natin siya sa plastic covering niya. Baba muna natin yung box. Yan. O, diba? Ito yung knobs. Oh, so good. Okay. So, meron siyang combo jack, pwede for XLR, pwede rin for PL. Meron siyang Hi-Z for connecting electric guitars from what I know. Meron din siyang low cut filter or high pass filter na tinatawag. Gain, meron siyang parametric EQ, high, mid, low frequencies. Meron siyang aux and effects send. So, ito talaga yung pinakamagandang feature niya for me. And pwede rin siyang i-pan. And syempre yung level control. And meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 inputs. And ang outputs niya ay XLR outs na. So, kung gusto i-connect siya sa mga active speakers nyo, pwede nyo i-connect dito. Yan. So, yun lang guys. And magkakaroon tayo ng much deeper review of this mixer. And actually, you're currently hearing the Shure PG48 na binili natin in our previous video. So, this is the live quality of this microphone connected to the T6 mixer na binili natin online before and connected siya sa iRig 2 which is connected to our phone. So, yun. Mas marami tayong reviews in the future. Watch out for those videos. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching this video.